From the title of the video, you guys already know what this video is all about. So I'm gonna go on ahead and partition my hair into sections just so it's easier for me to work with, and yeah. So I'm gonna wear my towel because I will be spraying my hair with water and I don't want to get wet. I'm spraying my hair with water just so that I can get moist. And since I have a coarse hair, spraying it with water is gonna allow me manage my hair well and also help me get a nice bun at the end. Next, I'll be using my Eco Styling Gel, and I'm taking a generous amount of it and slapping it into my hair just so it ends up being slick and looking nice. So I'm not going to bore you guys with the whole process of applying the Eco Styling Gel into my hair. It was basically the same routine: partitioning my hair, spraying water into it just so it's moist, a little moist, applying the styling gel. So I did that all through the sections of my hair. Fam, I am just going to be frank with you all. Getting my hair into a ponytail was a struggle. This is the first time in my entire natural hair journey that I will be getting my hair into a ponytail, and I would say that I just had a thorough workout. I hope you guys are all up for trying this, but my face is all greasy and tired, but we'll get through this, hopefully. Next, I'm gonna go on ahead and tie my scarf just so the hair can be sleek and all laid. Again, please excuse my greasy face. This is my first time of trying something like this. Like I said earlier, I honestly wasn't sure of the best way to go about this, nor was I sure of what to expect while doing this hair. So I'm just gonna try my best. And right now this is my weave. From what you can see, this is an old weave, and this is what I'll be using for my ponytail. Hair in a bun. Yes, this is it, fam. My hair is just slick and my ponytail is sitting pretty on my head. You could decide to wrap the weave into a bun and securing it with a bobby pin. Man, it's up to you. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video if you really like it, and leave your comments down below. I'll be glad to read your comment, and I'm definitely going to respond to your comments as well. Bye.